Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to create new locations. This video is to show you how to create a location. First, go to Module, then Company and Facility. On the left-hand side, select Facility Resource Maintenance and then Location. There are two options. You can add a location manually or you can import a location. To add manually, just click on Add Location and input any name. Pick the type. We have regular location, test, staging, loading dock, or any other title you want. Also, select the pick type. We have pallet pick, piece pick, and case pick. If you click on Advanced Mode, you can add additional information about the location. You can specify the level of the location if it is a rack location, the length, width, height, zones, aisle, section, bay, level, and slot. Once you are done, click Save. You will see the location has been created, for example, 002. To create a dock, just select the dock and click Save. Dock 002 has been created. If you want to import a location, click on Import Location, which will direct you to the import page. From there, you can download the template. Fill in the template with the location information and upload the file. Click Submit. You can go back to the location page to verify it. All the locations you imported will be displayed. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.